Who played the king?
I did.
Oh.
There's a video camera over there and you can't remember.
All right, we took that.
Your turn, Andrew.
Your turn, Andrew.
You bitch.
All is fair. All is fair.
Is that a dirty one or something?
Oh yeah, that was gonna stink right there.
What happened? You farted?
Heathcliff, do you mind?
Oh fuck. I wasn't thinking about that.
I was thinking
Come on,
about
Marita, spade it.
I didn't know if
Spade
I was
it.
going to or not.
Spade it, babe.
Comfortable cat?
Here, get him from that angle.
Heathcliff.
Hi, Heathman.
Did I hit that one?
Is it? Yeah, it's your turn. Just let it be. Just let it be. Can you see from there?
Yeah.
Your turn, Marina.
I can't pull back that card, can I?
Nope.
Baby, it's alright. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We see 2 more.
I want that. I'm going to lose the hand no matter what. I didn't care about winning. Now they're going to give it to me.
Put it down on the cat.